Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. I am going to introduce today in my program with Dr. Mohammad Aslam. Today we discuss about Afghanistan. So, Dr. Saab, thank you very much for giving us a beautiful time. I would ask to think, what is your point of view? What is Afghanistan?
Afghanistan is a very old country. He has come to be existence in 1823. If we are look at the history of Afghanistan, it will become the 1526, and also we go to back the 5 to 6 is the historical background. Afghanistan is the landlocked country. There is a no sea border from the Afghanistan, but the border of Pakistan and India, Iran, Tajikistan is the situation of this location is Afghanistan.
So my next question is capital of Afghanistan. Can you brief?
Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan.
All right.
Near about 34 provinces of Afghanistan. And the area and the location and the area of the Afghanistan is the near about 6 lakh. And the Pakistan area is near about 7 lakh. And the 1 lakh is less than Pakistan. But she have the 34 provinces divided in 34 provinces.
Now I would like to ask boundary of Afghanistan.
Yes, Pakistan the longest boundary with the Afghanistan, near about 2,252 kilometers. Common border with Afghanistan.
Okay.
And the near about and India, China, Afghanistan, there is a less boundary, but the common border with Afghanistan 2,252 kilometers.
That's good. What is your opinion about USSR in Afghanistan?
Yes, USSR means the Russian government in 1979 invasion in Afghanistan. She want to capture the Afghanistan and access to the seawater, the hot water, because he invasion. Because as you know, I am give you a detail of the USSR.
Yeah.
USSR 4 to 6 months the trade with the sea level, because there are a winter season is a very long, and this water is the very hot water, and the Pakistan sea level is near about 12 months is the ongoing trade. So she want occupy the USSR Afghanistan. Then he became to access the sea level of Pakistan and continue their trade from this way. So that 1979 they are invasion in Afghanistan, and near about 8 to 9 years he is the access occupied and the war with Afghan. At least 1989 in April Geneva Accord, then USSR withdraw from the Afghanistan.
That's good. So what is this situation of Afghanistan after 9/11?
Yes. As you know, 9/11 World Trade Center attack, the helicopters in New York. After that, USA government decided to occupy and attack on Afghanistan. First of all, he called to Pakistan President Pervez Musharraf, if you are with us or not. Musharraf said that we are with you. That is the loss of Pakistan. Because Pakistan foreign policy for this time not gain anything from the USA, and Pakistan pay many things for this war, and USA attack on Afghanistan near about 20 years he is here and occupy the Afghanistan. At least in August 2021 he is withdraw from the Afghanistan.
US withdraw from Afghanistan in 31 August 2021.
Yes, 21. After that, the Taliban government is come to be existence in this region. It is a reality that Ahmed, because of if the stability in Afghanistan, then the stability in Pakistan. If the Afghanistan not stable, Pakistan not stable. It is my point of view, because of the Indian influence on Afghanistan. As you know, their media and their other things also present in the PM house in Kabul. They are lobbying about Pakistan. They want to be destroy Pakistan, unstable Pakistan. For this reason, they are here. If you know that this is an Islamic country, Pakistan must be help these Islamic brothers and they stable and improve their country so that Pakistan will be improved. Pakistan will be help Afghanistan.
Now I would like, what is the future of Afghanistan?
Yes, future of Afghanistan is a bright for this time because of if Pakistan strong foreign policy this time he will be a good. In the last 10 to 20, 12 years, Pakistan foreign policy is not a good because of many reasons. Inshallah, discuss in another program. Afghanistan first this time Pakistan have the capability, have the ability to control all the circumstance and the stable Afghanistan and the reduce the influence of India. For this reason, for this that Pakistan will be a good state not only in the region but also in the world. And Pakistan will play a important role for this circumstance and prove that the world superpower Pakistan will be the good countries and the good Islamic country. Inshallah.
What is your message from your friends and students?
My message about the student and the listener to touch the foreign policy and the current affair because of many things that you will be gain through this channel. Inshallah, we start another program through this Awaz-E-Bahwalpur discuss the many international issues from this forum.
Thank you very much.
Allah Hafiz.
Yeah, your viewers, you're watching program with Dr. Aslam. We're talking about Afghanistan. Briefly, Dr. Aslam. Then Allah Hafiz, Allah Nigeban, Pakistan Zindabad.